The Joint Committee of Parliament (JCP) panel adopted the Waqf Amendment Bill with 11 out of 15 votes, confirming its amended version under the chairmanship of Jagdambika Pal. The adoption followed opposition protests which accused the government of interfering in Muslim religious affairs. Opposition members criticized the bill as unconstitutional and feared it would undermine the Waqf board independence. Paul, however, defended the amendment, stating they address opposition concern and would enhance transparency and effectiveness with provision for including economically disadvantaged Muslims, women and orphans as beneficiaries. The report will be presented to Lok Sabha Speaker Om Birla tomorrow for further proceeding. The Meghalaya High Court has issued contempt notices to 5 members of the Don Bosco Technical School Management in Shillong for demolishing a colonial-era building despite an ongoing court inquiry into its heritage status. The court called the demolition of St. Anthony's Lowest Primary School building a most daring act and a challenge to its authority. Chief Justice I.P. Mukherjee and Justice W. Dingdo took a serious view of the matter into their order dated January 28, 2025. The controversy arose from a PIL seeking to protect the Assam-type colonial structure. The court had earlier directed a heritage inspection under the Meghalaya Heritage Act 2012. 2 suspected cadres of the Ban Kanglai Pak Communist Party People's War Group KCP PWG were arrested in Imphal East, Manipur for extortion-related activities. The Anti-Extortion Unit of the Manipur Police, assisted by Central Security Forces, conducted a raid based on intelligence input in secluded area on Tuesday. The 2-hour operation led to the arrest of Laishram Rajesh Singh, 39-year-old, and Laishram Tomba, 19-year-old, both from Takyal Kombal Muning Lekai, Imphal West District. Police recovered extorted money, a pistol with a magazine, and demand letters. The suspect had been extorting from the public, government officials and shop, particularly in Morok Inkol village under Sagolmang police station. North Korean leader Kim Jong-un has reprimanded party officials for indulging in drinks and other violations, calling them a mega crime in a bid to enforce stricter discipline, state media reported. A party meeting exposed misconduct in Ong Kong County, Nampo Municipality and Usi County of Jagang Province. In Ong Kong, 40 officials were accused of neglecting preparation for a party meeting and indulging in drinking booths at public facilities. Agriculture inspector in Usi were charged with abusing legal power, misappropriating property and causing suffering to residents. Kim condemned these acts as grave crimes violating party discipline and moral order. Hockey India today announced a 24-member women's team for the Bhubaneswar leg of the FIH Pro League 2024-2025, which will be held at the Kalinga Hockey Stadium from February 15 to 25. India will face off against visiting teams England, the Netherlands, Spain and Germany, playing each team twice. Their campaign kicks off with a match against England on February 15. Dynamic midfielder Salima Tete will lead the Indian team as captain, with forward Navneet Kaur serving as vice-captain. The squad includes goalkeeper Savita and Bichu Devi Karibam, while Sushila Chanu Pukrabam, Nikki Pradhan, Udita Jyoti, Ishika Chaudhary and Jyoti Chatri have been selected as defenders.